Bullish Mirror Protocol cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 63 cents and $1.20 by 2030. Market investigators accept Mirror could reach 49 cents by 2025. Bearish Mirror Protocol market cost expectation for 2023 is 11 cents. Mirror Protocol presentation. With regards to fighting open-door disparity in the monetary space, Mirror Protocol is a creative and possibly progressive task that could open a universe of chance. Assuming you're keen on finding out about the cost of Mirror Protocol, look no further. In this video, we have summed up our itemized Mirror Protocol cost forecasts, from Mirror Protocol value today to least cost, normal cost, most extreme cost, normal exchanging cost, market cap, current cost, and then some. We likewise answer a definitive inquiry: is Mirror Protocol a wise venture for what's in store? We should figure it out. What is Mirror Protocol? Mirror Protocol is a local area-driven, decentralized blockchain protocol worked by Terraform Labs. The task was made with the expect to give more up-to-date ways of getting to back and exchanging choices and tackle the developing imbalance issue, the digital money market. The protocol empowers the making of manufactured resources that can follow the cost of genuine crypto coins. The protocol enables dealers to exchange values any place, whenever, all day, every day. It can do this by stamping manufactured resources, additionally called mirror resources or M-assets. These resources are controlled by shrewd agreements and run on the land organization. The resources are intended to mirror the value conduct of the fundamental certifiable resources they address, permitting dealers to get boundless cost openness. The M-assets carry plenty of benefits to the Mirror Protocol organization. They kill the requirement for delegate strategies and give worldwide availability to any individual who wishes to exchange. Regardless of whether brokers own the hidden resource, Mirror assists them with taking part in cost hypothesis or direct venture with practically no limitation. The Mirror token. The local badge of the Mirror Protocol stage is called Mirror. It is the administration token and is additionally used to compensate liquidity suppliers and for marking. The token was intended to be genuinely disseminated. Importance: there have never been any financial backer or pre-deal Mirror coins. Mirror tokens are compensated to financial backers who assist with keeping up with the soundness of land and are gotten from exchanging charges and the cash paid for making surveys or shutting positions on M-assets. There is a greatest inventory of 370,575,000 Mirror tokens delivered more than 4 years. How does Mirror coin respond? The Mirror coin has two essential highlights, with protocol administration being a significant one. The tokens assume an imperative part in the framework and can be utilized to make spending proposition against the on-chain local area pool and furthermore to change boundaries like position free and exchanging charge rate. One more capability of the token is to catch CDP terminations. At the point when a Mirror CDP is shut, an expense of 1.5% is taken, which is then used to purchase Mirror tokens and paid to people marking Mirror. Mirror Protocol Specialized Examination. While the functions of this thrilling DeFi project are positively complicated, Mirror Protocol's group has figured out how to make a stage that is certainly worth the difficult work. The manufactured resources Mirror offers are really strong, and the whole environment is developed for huge development, having gotten the eyes of significant financial backers in the digital currency market. Dealers in the present crypto market who have little confidence in Money Road and significant establishments in our monetary framework can track down a superb option in Mirror Protocol. As the stage fills from now on, the scope of resources accessible will likewise increment, and almost certainly, the cost of Mirror Protocol could arrive at a record-breaking high soon. For brokers hoping to make a speculation, the Mirror coin is an important token to keep an eye out for from here on out. Mirror Protocol current cost. Mirror Protocol is at present worth 14 cents USD. Mirror has moved 0.73% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,704,647. Mirror Protocol is at present position 701 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $10,119,492 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Mirror Protocol to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Mirror Protocol Value Forecast 2023. Mirror Protocol, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Mirror cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 21 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 19 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Mirror is supposed to have a base worth of 16 cents. Mirror Protocol Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Mirror Protocol Mirror cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mirror will before long outperform 35 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Mirror's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Mirror will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 28 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 31 cents. Mirror Protocol Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 49 cents and Mirror might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mirror is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 45 cents and a low of 42 cents in 2025. Mirror Protocol Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Mirror Protocol effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Mirror coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mirror will be green in 2026. The Mirror is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 63 cents, with a base cost of 56 cents and a typical cost of 59 cents. Mirror Protocol Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Mirror cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 73 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 70 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Mirror has a greatest value worth of 77 cents. Mirror Protocol Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 87 cents. On the off chance that Mirror figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 91 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Mirror needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 84 cents. Mirror Protocol Value Forecast 2029. While Mirror is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 98 cents and a yearly cost close above $1.06 in 2029. Mirror Protocol Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Mirror Protocol will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.13 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.20, averaging out at $1.16. Mirror Protocol Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Mirror cost in 2031 is projected to be